Hello! To install two SIM cards on your Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is simply take your SIM tool. As you can see, this thing comes actually included with your phone, and get yourself your two SIM cards you want to insert into your phone. From here, you have to grab your phone, and down here on the downside of your phone you have the SIM tray. You have to take this SIM tool, SIM pin, and insert it right here into this pinhole and push until the SIM tray ejects. As you can see, from here, grab it carefully with your nails and take it out carefully, because this SIM tray is actually very fragile, so be careful while taking this one out and inserting it back in. From here, as you can see, here we have our SIM tray, and we have two SIM slots on two sides, as you can see. So all we have to do is simply take our SIM card. Let's take, for example, take this one, and from here we have this little cut right here, and actually we have the little icon of how to insert our SIM card right here. So it has to be positioned like this, insert it, and it fits like this all the way and with no problem. And on the other side there's actually the same thing. Here we have the little icon of how to insert the SIM card, and we actually do it the same like we did with the first SIM card. Just like this, insert it into your SIM tray. As you can see, it fits all the way, and from here you have to take your SIM tray like this with this pinhole on the left side, and you'll actually see how to insert this SIM tray back in. As you can see, here is the pinhole, and it just needs to fit right here, just like this, and carefully push it into your phone like that. And that's how to basically do it. That's how to install two SIM cards on your Realme 14 Pro Plus.